Okay, hi everybody. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Hamilton watch. It's the Khaki watch, titanium Khaki. My girlfriend got it for me as a birthday. She thought that I needed a watch for more everyday use, something durable and nothing too, ostentatious. So she decided to get me this, which I think is kind of cool. I did some research online. They're known for their Swiss made pieces, originally from the U.S., but now their manufacturing is all in Switzerland. So sorry, this is my first time unboxing it, so I don't even know what's in here. So let's see. First off, the user manual, warranty documents. Oh, comes with a card. There you go. 2-year warranty. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see now. The band is a little skinnier than what I'm used to, but this is a nice leather band. Let's see up close. Kind of like an olive brown color. I don't know what the tag says. I'm just trying to look through this. It's called calf color, CALF. So this is a Khaki automatic. Gotta open this up. Take out there. I don't even know how many millimeters this is. I'm trying to see. Since it's my first time opening it. Sorry. 42. This is a 42 millimeter. So let's see. It's pretty nice. Kind of like it. My wrists are kind of small because I'm a little on the skinnier side, but this would be something I would wear every day. I'm trying to see online how much these pieces would cost. It looks like it ranges from about 1,000 to about 1,200. But I like it. It looks durable already. Titanium. I don't think it's scratch resistant. I don't think it's built that way, but honestly, this is a really nice piece for $1,000. Look at the back, Swiss made, water resistant, all the details. Comes with a serial number. Yeah, this is nice. Similar to a lot of the other luxury pieces. This is nice. Well, anything else, please let me know. Thank you for watching.